Okay. Number one. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Apomir Lator, together with my group mates, Jay Despo, James Brian Corteza, and Jeremy Remedios. So, today we will be presenting our research on development of a transaction processing system for MG Shop. So, TPS is designed to manage, execute, and process business transaction to run accurately, efficiently, and smoothly. So, MG Shop is located at Purok 2, Quirino Street, San Francisco, Panabo City, Davao del Norte, and opened during the pandemic in 2019. This company is co-owned by Marie Sorongon and by her partner, Zaira Lampara. MG Shop is a boutique that currently relies on manual processing for managing sales, customer data, and inventory. By implementing TPS for MG Shop will be able to manage sales, transaction, inventory, and customer data more efficiently. And a lot of people purchase clothing, bags, jewelry, and on of a well-known boutique due to their particular style, and they offer a high quality for their products. So our system objectives is the goal of our TPS for MG Shop is to streamline and automate sales transactions and to ensure a data accuracy and for improving customer satisfaction. And our system is do their jobs such as recording sales, managing inventory, processing payments, and the overall business performance. Our SO is our system specifically can create a transaction processing module that allows staff to record and process customer sales transactions, including product selection and payment processing. The system to automatically update inventory after it sells to ensure accurate task levels. Create a customer management modules that allows staff to create, update, and manage customer profiles, including personal details, contact information, and purchase history. Staff to view customer information to assist in providing personalized services and improving customer satisfaction. Create an inventory management module that allows staff to add, update, and categorize products in the system. The system to track product stock levels in real time and generate alerts when stock is low. Staff to view detailed product information, including name, price, description, and available quantities. And create a reporting module that allows the system to generate daily, weekly, and monthly sales reports. The system to provide inventory movement reports to track product popularity, sales trends, staff to access dashboard, visualization of key business metrics such as total sales and customers activity. So the next slide shows the figure of ERD. So the customer entity have a four attributes, which is customer ID, customer name, customer address, and customer contact info. Next entity, next entity is transaction, which has four attribute: transaction ID, date, total amount, customer ID, total amount, and date. Next is the transaction detail. Have a attributes: transaction ID, product ID, quantity, subtotal. Next is product, which has product ID, name, price, stock quantity, category ID. And lastly is the category, which has a category ID, category name, and description. So the next slide shows the data dictionary that explain all the specific details of each entity. So dili na ako siya ipangkuan since na kita na siya sa ERD. Next is our mock-up design. So this first
page is login page, where in area where MZ Shop user can enter their login details in the system. Next is the category page, which shows the category of an area where MZ Shop users can browse and select from the different categories of products available in the boutique. Next is the product page, shows where MZ Shop users can view detailed information about a specific product available in the boutique. Next is the customer page. It shows the page, sh- it's a page where MZ Shop user can add, edit, and view customers' information. Next is the transaction details. So this page is can perform sales transaction, and it enables user to add products, apply discounts, or process payments and generate receipts. So the last is the account settings interface, which allows users of MZ Shop to add, delete, and update accounts. And transaction, which shows the overall record of business interactions such as completed sale of purchase in MZ Shop. So the next is the database.
So this slide shows the database of our system. First figures shows the whole table. It consists of accounts, category, customers, product, transaction, and transaction details. So next slide, it shows the accountable, which is the ID, username, password, user type, if admin or user. So the next slide is shows the category table. It shows the it's a so it shows the category and name ID. So the next slide is so uh, so the next slide is it shows the product name, category ID, retail price, and quantity. The next slide is it shows the transaction ID, product name, sale price, quantity, total, and customer ID. In this slide, it shows the date, subtotal, pay, and balance. So next is it shows our system. Yes. So this book can demo our system. Yeah, okay. Exactly. So,
Mhm. So this is our login page. So we can type our email is J caps lock. Email is J is 1 2 3. So if mali ang password kay magano siya mag username and password are not do not match. So okay, log in as admin. So first is we can add our category. So name is say name like in a shoes name kay Sandugo. So category added. So the next is we were going to go in product. So diri na to makita itong naada to na name is na diri is Sandugo, dara siya. Then ano siya is kanang shoes. ah, our retail price is example is 399. Stock quantity is 50. So, makita do siya is product added na siya is ana siya dari dara. So, mag-update atong i-update ang dari kani siya ay kaning bag. Atong i-update siya is i-update ato ang price is 700 then ang stock kay na lang 15 na lang. Mm. So, product updated na siya. So, dara siya. Na-change na yang unsa, yang retail price and quantity. So, if mag-delete ka is may i-tap lang nato ang row sa table then delete. So, do you want to delete the record? So product deleted is nawala na siya diri sa table. Then let's proceed to our stuff. Okay. So ang user type is user. Then login as user. So diri na to siya makita if first is muna siya ang stuff nga unsa na view. So first is mag-add ta og customer name. Example is James. Address niya is Panabo. Then ang contact ay ano siya. So customer added. So si James kay ikaunom siya. Then i-update na to siya ay atong i-update ang yang address kay imo so customer so na siya tago mo siya. Then diri na siya sa transactions. So diri to makita ang available products. Ang atong available products is kaning shoes, bag, and shoes. So makita ato ang prices na diri. So itong paliton kay is ang bag. So dara siya nagpop up na siya ang price na diri Then if pila ang mong quantity na paliton, example is 10. Then atong customer ID is si James kay if molapas ka sa unsa if wala sa list sa customer ID imong ibutang is muna siya ang gawas. Customer ID not found. So si James kay 6, number 6, then enter then place orders dara siya bag. Then mag-ano po ta og bag-o. So shoes and quantity is 5. Then ang customer ID is number 2. So dara siya. So makita na to ang subtotal nito is 14 mali ang subtotal. So mo na siya ang subtotal is 7,000. So ang pay na to is kanang 7,000 pod. So print and cancel. So record save na siya. So naano siya sa database if na-save agad siya. So transaction naglag. So dara siya ang last nga mo ni siya ang last na transaction 7,000 and ang pay niya is ang 7,000 din ang balance niya is 0 this and ang transaction details is ang ID number 6 and transaction ID is 6 ang product ay bag then ang price 7,000 then quantity is 10 then ang total is 7,000 then ang customer ID niya is katong number 6 na si James. So thank you.
Hindi ba ka makalag out talaga?
So
Kung malag out.
pwede po ka mo ka-log out. Then check na to sa atong ang current na ni dati current claim. So mag-log out din mo na siya balik ka siya login page.
So that's all.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all our system. Thank you.
Pila. Wala na sa record, pre.